Good day everyone, this is Teacher Kim, and in this video I'll be sharing to you the measures of central tendency of ungrouped data. So without further ado, let's get started. So the objectives of this sharing are define mean, median, and mode, and find the mean, median, and mode of a statistical data. So measures of central tendency. So a measure of central tendency is a single value that attempts to describe a set of data by identifying the central position within the set of data. So in your previous lesson, you have already know how to gather data, how to present data, or how to organize data. So as such, measures of central tendency are sometimes called measures of central location. So analysis of data includes the getting average value, middle value, and the most frequently occurring value of a set of data. So measures of central tendency are numbers that tend to cluster around the middle of a set of values. So there are different criteria in determining the center within a set of data. So the common measures of central tendency are mean, median, and mode. I know some of you are familiar with this one. So remember that these three are all averages. So how to determine the measure of central tendency? So starting with the mean. So what is mean? So when we say mean, it is the most commonly used measure of central tendency, and it is also known as the arithmetic mean or the average. And I know some of you have an idea on how to solve the mean, because this is simply solving for the average of your grades. So how to compute for the mean? Again, simply add all the scores in a set of data and divide by the total number of values. So we have this formula. Mean is equal to the summation of x over n. Again, where this symbol here is read as summation of x, or the sum of the values, and big letter N is the number of values in a set. So okay, let's have an example for you to understand how to solve for the mean. So example number 1, given the set of numbers 4, 13, 6, 8, 11, 14, and 14, so find the mean. Again, we will use this formula. Mean is equal to summation of x divided by n. So again, first step is we have to add all the values. So 4 plus 13 plus 6 plus 8 plus 11 plus 14 plus 14. So when we add all these numbers, it will result to 70. Next step is we have to divide the sum of all values by the number of values in the set. Again, so the summation of x, we have 70 divided by n. So what is our n here? So n here is 7. Why 7? Because there are 7 values in a set. Diba? 14, 13, 6, 8, 11, 14, and 14. So we have 7. So applying the formula, 70 divided by 7 is equal to 10. Therefore, the mean is 10. Okay, let's have another example for you to master in solving for the mean. So example number 2, James scores in his 10 post-tests for the first quarter are 8, 7, 6, 10, 9, 5, 9, 6, 10, and 7. So find the mean. Again, we will use this formula. Mean is equal to summation of x divided by n. Again, first step is we will add all the values. So 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 10 plus 9 plus 5 plus 9 plus 6 plus 10 plus 7. So when we add all these numbers, it will result to 77. Second step, we have divide the sum of all values by the number of the values in the set. So what is our n here? We have 10 because there are 10 scores in a set. Okay, let's count. So 8, we have 7, 6, 10, 9, 5, 9, 6, 10, and 7. So, diba we have 10 squared. That is why our n is 10. So, applying the formula, so we have summation of x is equal to 77 divided by n, which is 10. So, is equal to 7.7. Therefore, the mean is 7.7. Okay, second, we have the median. So, what is median? So, when we say median, it is the middle value of an ordered data set. So, to find the median for a set of data, first we have arrange the values in increasing or decreasing order. Again, going back to the definition, so when we say median, it is the middle value of an ordered data set. So ordered, meaning that we have to arrange our data in an increasing or decreasing order, or lowest to highest or highest to lowest. Depends on you which do you prefer. It can be highest to lowest or lowest to highest. Unlike in solving for the mean, no need for you to arrange the data, simply add all the data, right? But in solving for the median, you have to arrange first the data for you to solve or for you to solve for the middle value of the data set. Second, we have if the number of values is odd, then the middle value is the median. But if the numbers of values are even, then the median is the mean of the two middle values. Okay, let's have an example in solving for the median. So we will just use the example we have in solving for the mean. So example number 1, given the set of numbers 4, 13, 6, 8, 11, 14, and 14. So find the median. Again, first step is we have to arrange the values in increasing order. So 4, 6, 8, 11, 13, 14, and 14. So second, we have to find the middle value of the ordered set. So since we have done arranging the values, so we have to find the middle value of the ordered set. So since here the number of values we have is odd, simply the middle value is our median. So therefore we have the median is 11. Okay, let's have another example in solving for the median. So example number 2, James scores in his 10 post-test for the first quarter are 8, 7, 6, 10, 9, 5, 9, 6, 10, and 7. So find the median. So again, first step is we have to arrange the values in increasing order. So we have 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, and 10. So second, we have to find the middle value of the ordered set. So since the number of scores is even, then the median is the mean of the two middle scores. Here in our example number 2, we have two middle value, right? 7 and 8. So in order to solve for the median, we have this formula. So 7 plus 8 divided by 2. Why divided by 2? Because we add the two values here, which is 7 and 8. So we have 2. So 7 plus 8 is equal to 15 divided by 2. So we have 15 divided by 2 is equal to 7.5. Therefore, the median is 7.5. So the third one, we have the mode. So what is mode? So when we say mode, it is the most frequently occurring value in a set of data. So to find the mode for a set of data, first we have select the value that appears most often in the set. Second, we have if two or more values appear the same number of times, then each of these values is a mode. Third, we have if every value appears the same number of times, then the set of data has no mode. Okay, let's have an example in solving for the mode. So we have given the set of numbers 4, 13, 6, 8, 11, 14, and 14. So find the mode. So first is we have to arrange the values in increasing order. Again, just like in solving for the median, in solving for the mode, we have to arrange first the values in increasing order for us to easily determine which values appears most frequently. So we have 4, 6, 8, 11, 13, 14, and 14. So second, we have find the values that appears most frequently. Again, since we have already arranged the values in increasing order, it is easy for us to determine what values appears most frequently, right? So in this example, number 1, so what number appears most frequently? So as you can see, we have 14, right? Therefore, example number 1, our mode is 14. So example number 2, in solving for the mode, we have James scores in his 10 post-tests for the first quarter are 8, 7, 6, 10, 9, 5, 9, 6, 10, and 7. So find the mode. So again, we have to arrange the values in increasing order. So 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, and 10. So second, we have to find the values that appears most frequently. So here in our data, we can easily determine which values appears most frequently, right? So here in our example number 2, since there are 4 scores appear the same number of times, then each of these scores is a mode. So therefore, the modes are 6, 7, 9, and 10. Alright, we have third example in solving for the mode. So example number 3, Andrea has the following grades in her 8 subjects. So Filipino 82, English 85, Math 80, Science 81, Aralpan 86, TLE 88, ESP 90, MAPI 89. So again, first step, we have to arrange the grades in increasing order. So we have 80, 81, 82, 85, 86, 88, 89, 90. Second, we have to find the values that appears most frequently. So here in our example number 3, since every grade appears the same number of times, then the set of grade has no mode. So therefore, in example number 3, therefore, there is no mode.